Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share a Pinterest inspired collaboration video with my friend Misha at ScrapsandThings1. Hi Misha. And this week, due January 5th, we were to do a decorative mason jar or any other kind of jar, and we could do any theme that we wanted. So this is the jars that inspired me on Pinterest. I loved them because they were a nautical theme, and my hubby and I have a lot of beach nautical themed things in our house, and our kitchen is like a navy blue and white nautical theme. So these have inspired me from Pinterest to create this one. So the jar itself I got from the Dollar Tree. And inside, it's one of those with the black lid, and then you can hang a tea light in there, which I thought was really cute. And then what I did was I used this Crafty Cuts laminated burlap, and I purchased this at Michael's. It's a nice size roll of it. And I glued it all the way around. I measured it about 3¼ inches, maybe 3 1/8. Cut it on my cutter, and then I glued it around the whole mason jar. And then this, I used some, gosh, I've had this blue lace in my stash forever that I got at a yard sale. And I put the blue lace around, and then this really pretty starfish ribbon. I purchased that at Hobby Lobby. I got that on sale one day. I think I had like 50% off, but I thought it was really pretty. And then I glued that around, and then I used some of this twine, and I made a bow over here, and then all the way around the lid I just kept gluing and wrapping the twine around the entire jar. So I'll just turn the jar around so y'all can see how it turned out. I think it came out really cute. And then I had this lighthouse button in my stash, so I cut the shank off and I glued it to the bow, and then I found this starfish button. It was a flat back button. It didn't have a shank or anything on that. I glued it to the lighthouse itself. So anyway, that's how my jar turned out, my Pinterest inspired jar. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. If not, thank you so much for watching, and our next project's not due for 2 weeks, and I think we're going to be doing a set of 4 fabric coasters, so that ought to be fun. Break out my sewing machine and get busy. So anyway, thanks for watching, take care, and happy crafting.